Third important aspect of positivity in adversity is don't buckle under pressure. Everybody, every living existence upon this earth has to face some kind of pressure every day. Family issue pressure, social circle pressure, work pressures to meet the goals, whatever. Everybody has to pass through this. Tell yourself, I am not the alone one upon this earth to face pressures. Every living existence passes through this. But if you buckle under pressure, even with the best talent, best academics and best experiences, and probably a great future, you will lose everything in life.